In this video I'm going to show you how you can claim a badge in Credly and make it available in PebblePad to share in your portfolio and to share with other people. And to do this we'll need three accounts. We'll need the Credly account, which you should hopefully have already set up. We'll need a Mozilla Backpack account, which likewise you need to set up, and your PebblePad account. So the first thing that will happen is when you receive a badge you'll get an email. And here's an example of that email. So in here we can see the actual credit itself, the image, the issuer details and the description of the badge and what it means. The important thing to do here is to click Save and Share. This will take us through to Credly. Now I'm already logged in, but if you haven't logged in you'll be prompted to put in your username and password, and if you don't already have an account you'll just be able to create your account there and then. The accounts are free and you'll be taken straight to this screen where you can actually claim the badge. Okay, so again we can see here's the image for the badge, some of the details including the criteria, basically what the badge means and who it was issued by. So the important thing is this save and accept. So if I just click there and make it visible to everyone, that's fine, and just click accept. In a moment we'll come back through and you'll see there's the badge that I've just earned. Okay, so now we've got the badge in Credly and it's publicly available, but what we want to do to get it into PebblePad is to put it into the Mozilla Backpack. So to do that, once you've created your Mozilla Backpack account, you need to go to Account Settings. So click on Account Settings and you'll see there's things like your name and your email address in here, and you might have some more details as well. But the important one is just scroll down, is the social settings and openbadges.org. If you just hover the mouse over that you'll see this link text appear. Just click on it and you can see you can sign into your Backpack account. So you just pick the email address or type in the email address if you haven't already logged in and just click sign in. So I'm just doing that now and this page should now refresh. And you can see now that we've got this little circle icon here, and the icon further down next to Open Badges has gone a bit darker. So we can now see that this account is linked to Open Badges, the backpacks in Open Badges. So what I now need to do is to transfer that badge that I have in Credly into my Mozilla Backpack. So to do that, just go to My Credit. And here we can see all of the badges that I've earned. So here's the one I've just earned, and if we click this icon here, the link icon, you'll see we have a list of places where we can share this credit. But the one that we're interested in here is Mozilla. So if I just click on that, we'll get this message, we're about to send one badge to a backpack. So I just log in, and again it's basically the same process as before. So once you're logged in, you'll get this particular page. So again we get the details of the badge, the image, who it was awarded by, and a little description of it. And just a question, do I want to accept this badge? By accepting the badge it will go into my Mozilla Backpack. So I just click yes. Okay, great, so I've now sent one badge to my Mozilla Backpack. So just click thanks and that'll close. So now we've sent a badge from Credly into the Mozilla Backpack. So now I'll just go onto my Mozilla Backpack, which I've already got open, and just refresh this. Just log in. And there's the badge I've just received. So this is the badge that I've just passed through from Credly. So what I need to do to make a badge available in PebblePad is to put it into a public collection. So when you first log into your backpack you'll be on the badges page. What you need to do is go onto the collections page. So this is the collections page, and what you need to do is just on the left hand side just drag a badge into either of these box areas and it'll just stay there. But the important thing is we've now got it in a collection, but that collection needs to be public. So you just need to make sure that you've got a little tick next to this public area. If I was to put it in a brand new collection, I can do that just down here and show you. So I've got a new collection here, I can give it a name, but I need to make sure that it's public to be able to use it in PebblePad. Okay, I'll just get rid of that one. Okay, so now I've got my new badge. It's in a public collection, so I can make use of it in PebblePad. So I'll now switch to PebblePad. And this is my PebblePad account. So what I need to do now is to go to Settings and External Services. So this is how I would set up a link to my backpack, my Mozilla Backpack that we've just seen there. Just click, I've already got 2 in here, but I'll just show you the process. Just click Create New, and then click Mozilla Backpack and give a name that will appear on that screen that we've just seen there. So I'll just call it Badges 2. And click Link. We then need to put in the email address, and this email address is the one that you used to set up your Mozilla Backpack. So in my case, I'll just pick that one and submit. It'll go away and find the backpack. So if you've mistyped your email address, it'll come back with a message saying that's an incorrect email address. There's no backpack with that email address. So just make sure that you type in the right one. But if you get this button here, Add My Backpack, just click it and you'll be taken through and it will link your backpack. One thing to say is it might take 24 hours for your backpack and your badges to actually appear in PebblePad. But once that's done, it should be very quick to see new badges that you add. Okay, so if we just click Add My Backpack, there you can see I've now got a backpack attached to my PebblePad account. I'll just close that and go into the main PebblePad interface. And now, if we go to the Assets Store, you can see Badges 2's there. Obviously, it hasn't been 24 hours, so it hasn't updated. But if I just click on one of the other ones, here's Open Badges. So here I can see the different badges that I already have. So if I just click View, I can see a badge and the details about that badge. So now that I have that badge in my PebblePad account, I can do things like add it to a workbook, but I'll just show you how you might add it to a post. So if you had a blog or you wanted to share something, you could just add it to a post. So give the post a title. I'll just call it Test. Here's the content, so this will be test content, but here you could talk about why you've got the badge, etc. And just click Add New Section. And the one that we want is this little kind of rosette with a tick. This is the badge element. So if I click that, what I can then do, so it adds this section, what I can then do is just go in and find any of my badge accounts, so I've got a few there, and pick a particular badge that I want to add there. So I've just picked this Desert Explorer one and click Confirm, and there we go. So now I could then publish that or just keep that as a record for myself, and I have all of the information such as who issued it and the criteria. I can get access to that as well. So that's how you would take a badge from Credly into your PebblePad account and make use of it there. Okay, thanks for listening.